Where now we are lost in the forest. Let's ask Simon why. Simon.
Why we're lost in the forest?
Well, I just take you to the forest and I basically don't know where we are. And I'm a little bit screwed up.
Yeah.
Of course.
Marisha.
I'm taking a picture of my heart.
She doesn't obviously.
Look.
Excuse me. Can I say?
Marisha.
Look,
Can I
can you see the
video.
heart?
Oh my God! It's a heart.
Can you see it?
Yes. Like obviously she
There's
doesn't
a
care
heart
that we are
in
lost,
here.
and
Yeah.
she doesn't care that we are lost.
Yeah.
We're not lost, are we? Are you serious?
No, yeah,
A little bit.
we are lost. Yeah.
No, can you see like?
Okay, I will
seriously,
put this
can
on
you see my
Facebook,
heart?
and later
Can you
this
see it?
will be very, very, very embarrassing. Yeah.